Social update UG. UPDF Airforce crew members survive helicopter crash in Fort Portal. A helicopter has crashed in Fort Portal. Oba has crash landed in Fort Portal, and then some UPDF air crew members who were in it survived. Several UPDF Air Force crew members have Saturday survived a crash when the helicopter they were flying crash landed in Fort Portal City, Western Uganda. The MI helicopter that was coming from Entebbe to Mountain Division headquarters in Fort Portal crash landed at Saka near the airfield, destroying one house and a banana plantation, about part of a banana plantation. This aircraft landed on a civilian house, damaging it, especially the roof, but good enough. Its occupants and those of the house came out safe, said Major Peter Mugisa, the UPDF Mountain Division spokesperson. He said that technical teams have already flown from Entebbe to the scene to ascertain the cause of the incident. Ennyonyi eno yabadde eri mu kukka oba mu kulandi nga yafunye obuzibu n'ebeera nga yalandinze ku nnyumba y'omuntu owa bulijjo, era ng'ennyumba eyo bagyonoonye ddala amabaati oba roofing, then n'ebitooke ebyabaddeyo bitonotono. He said that the helicopter had 2 pilots and a few crew members without divulging their numbers. Meanwhile, the UPDF has also invited construction engineers to replace the roof and wall of the house that was damaged. Ebintu byabibadde wali Fort Portal oba tugambe nti fort, ennyonyi ya UPDF namunkanga ya UPDF ey'ekika kya helicopter ate weelandinze obubi nebeera nga crash landinze nebeera nga yonoonyeeko ebintu ebitali bimu, okitegeera. Naye nga ekirungi, amawulire amalungi gali nti nno ababaddemu bonna mu nnyonyi eyo n'ababadde mu nnyumba gye balandinzeeko bonna babadde bulungi, tekuliiko n'omu afunye buzibu buli awo bw'amaanyi nnyo, era nga n'ennyumba gye bonoonye UPDF ekoze entegeka bajje babere nga batereeza mangu roofing system yaayo. Agano ge mawulire wali okuva Fort Portal. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell button. Peace.